Barbecue. Nice. 2 years.
We're preparing. We are about 40 chefs and pastry chefs. So, and we're preparing 1,500 plates. So, it's a lot of guests, and it's going to be high-end food, and wow, it's a special occasion. So, it's going to be amazing. So we're working with Swedish seaweed that we're going to use. I think a lot of people know about seaweed but doesn't use it as much. So that is a perfect situation to show the world to use more seaweed in their own food. And also I've been preserving a lot of crown dill or dill flower from this summer. Because when the dark and the cold weather is outside, it's nice to bring out the summer flavors so you have nice memories from. So when the pandemic hit the world, I got so much time on my hand, so I started to practice and learn about 3D printing. So I have been doing my own design for this dinner. So made my own molds to bake some thin crisp bread to be like the crown on the piece of food later on.